Hi, today we concern with how to make a smear from solid and liquid media respectively. Preparation of bacterial smear from the solid medium. Take a clean and grease-free slide for making a smear. If your slide is not grease free or if the slide is dirt, then you can wipe the slide with alcohol swab, okay, and then pass the slide on Bunsen burner flame 2 to 3 times. In this way your slide will be a clean and grease free. Okay, so now take a loopful 0.85% saline, that is physiological saline. If you have no, then you can use easily available normal saline, okay, that is 0.9%, and place it on the center of the slide. With a inoculating loop, touch the surface of a well isolated colony from the solid medium and emulsify in the saline drop, forming a thin film. Then allow the smear to air dry and finally heat fix the smear while holding the slide at one end and by passing the smear over the flame of Bunsen burner 2 to 3 times. In this way, you can be able to make a smear from solid medium. So now let's go towards the clip. So here we have slide, diamond pencil, solid medium, inoculating loop, that is also called bacteriological loop, Bunsen burner. If your slide is dirt or having grease, then you can clean in this way. This is our alcohol swab. Then flame 2 to 3 times in this way. Now our slide is clean. If your slide is clean and grease free, then there is no need of this step. Now level the slide. Yeah, one for smear from solid medium and another for smear from liquid medium. So from solid medium, the colony is in this form, so there is need of saline. You can see we are using normal saline. Just touch the colony as you study in the theory part. Very simple. Mix properly in this way. And now sterilize the inoculating loop in this way. You have to wait for air drying. So now preparation of bacterial smear from liquid culture. Same process as we talked earlier, but a little difference because we have liquid medium, so there is no need of fluid. Saline. Take a clean and grease free slide for making a smear. So take 1 or 2 loopful of the bacterial cell suspension and place on the slide with a bacteriological loop. Then with circular movement of the loop, spread the slide suspension into a thin area and allow the smear to air dry. And then finally heat fix the smear while holding the slide at one end and by quickly passing the smear over the flame of Bunsen burner 2 to 3 times. So let's go towards the clip. So here we have liquid medium having the growth of bacterium. So take 1 to 2 loopful this culture growth, okay, and the process is same as done in solid medium. Very simple. In this way we can sterilize the inoculating loop. Okay, so our slide air dried. Now we can heat fix by passing the slide 2 to 3 times over the flame.